Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. If you didn't know that, then that means you're not subscribed, so please hit that subscribe button down below for me. Alright, so boom, I got sent a wig. This is the box that it came in. Oh, it's so cute. It is Yolova. So I have not opened the box, so I don't know what's in it. So this is my first time, y'all's first time seeing what's in this here boxy box. The packaging is so cute. Okay, so there's a little bag, and it tells you like the size or whatever of your wig. And I got 24 inches. And this bag is super cute too. Okay, so I'm gonna start, before I pull out the wig, I'm just gonna take everything out. So it comes with some lashes. Ooh, I dropped it. And it comes with some wig caps, which I needed because I actually forgot to get some. Let's see. Ooh, it comes with some tweezers. I like that because I do not have no tweezers. I'll be like plucking my wigs with my hand. So now for the wig. This is what I got. I honestly don't remember exactly the wig that I got, but I will put like the name of it up here whenever I check to see which one I got. Wig shaper normally. And then I think I got like a deep wave, maybe. It's super cute though. Yeah. Okay. So this is what the wig looking like, fresh out the box. And I haven't done anything to it. It's cute. The hairline is not too thick at all. Honestly, I don't even really need to pluck it too much. The hairline. And then the lace is tinted, but it's not horrible like the last wig that I had. First of all, the lace was like this thick. This lace is super thin, which I love, and it's like tinted, but it's like not horrible. So I will be doing an install of this wig, and then at the end of the video I will do like an initial review like I do with all of my other videos where I have installed a wig, which I will also put a link to my other install videos up there. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my wig on my wig head. The curls in this are so cute. So I have my wig on my wig head, and using these tweezers that came with the wig and my spray bottle, I'm just gonna pluck some of the hair off of the frontal. So basically I'm just gonna spray it. I don't even know if y'all can see me, but yeah. So I'm just spraying the hairline with a little bit of water, and I'm probably not gonna bleach the knots because it never goes well for me, so I'm just gonna put makeup on them. But yeah. And then take my comb and comb it back. And then I'm just gonna start plucking it. I pluck it in sections. I'll probably show you guys in a better angle here in a second. So okay, I'm trying to like get the best angle and whatnot, but it's not really working. So I'm about to put, I just parted it. I'm about to put some of this mousse on the part. This is some cheap mousse, so, but I think it does the job. And take that Yeah, just to get the part to lay flat, or the hair around the part to lay flat a bit. I love this mousse. It smells so good. And look at the part though. Like, I don't even really need to pluck it at all. Okay. So when I pluck, I like go in sections. So first gonna take like this first little layer out, and then I pluck behind that, if that makes sense. And I honestly don't pluck my wigs a lot. And I just pluck the hair out. So this is what it's looking like right now on this side that I got plucked. I could probably pluck it a little bit more, but compared to this, so I'm gonna keep plucking and then pluck this other side, and then I will be back and I should be ready to install it. Alright, so I got this wig cap on. It's kind of dark. So I got my Got To Be. I'm just gonna spray this. I know y'all seen it a whole bunch of times. Ugh. Okay. Can't even see. I sprayed this in my eye once. It was horrible. It's like leftover gunk on it. Let's see if it's, yeah, it's not even spraying. Okay, so now I'm about to just put a scarf around that. And I look so silly, but I'm about to sit with this like this for like 15 minutes and then come back and cut this off and then put the wig on. So I look so silly. Okay, taking this off. You know what, now that I think about it, I was actually supposed to like cut the eyes out of this. I'm an idiot. Oh, is it even dry? I think so. Okay. I got some smaller scissors. Oh, I can see. These scissors suck. Now I'm about to take some like foundation powder and put that on my wig cap if I can find a brush. So I'm about to put that on this wig cap. Although this wig cap is not as dark as I thought, probably because like I pulled it or whatever, so it's like more sheer. But I'm just putting it kind of where the part's gonna be. I always do a middle part, so that's rude. Okay, so now that I look bald, which I don't look half bad, now I'm about to put the wig on and see what that's looking like. Talking about. Okay, so for the wig, it has 3 combs in it. Boom, boom, bow. 4 combs actually, and there's another one at the bottom. And then it has these straps. So I like to put my strap thingy through these little notches. So I'm putting it in the farthest notch for both of them. And honestly, that makes it to where you honestly don't have to glue your wig down because it's so like tight on your head. But I'm still gonna glue it down. So these are the curls like before I put a mousse or like water or anything in it. This is what it's looking like. Hold on, I gotta let my cat in. Look at that. That's why I don't do the freaking cat method. But whatever. So actually, let me put my scarf on so it'll stop. Gotta be because I put the freaking glue on there and didn't put the cap on. My scarf on. Okay, so I'm gonna take some more of this and put it on the wig lace. Just because the lace is so light, which I'm actually happy that it's light. The last wig that I had, the lace was tinted, and it was tinted like so dark. It was horrible. But I actually really liked that wig, other than the fact that the lace was super thick and the lace was super tinted. And I actually have a review on that wig, so I will have it listed in the description box, and then also like add a little link to the top. But now it's looking a little brown. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Make sure everything's even. I keep losing stuff. There's so much stuff on my bed, and my cat is over there doing who knows what, and he's stressing me out. So put some mousse on my part again, just to lay it down and make sure it's actually where I want it to be. Cheddar. So I honestly didn't pluck it a lot. I don't pluck my wigs a lot, mainly because I usually wear it in the middle part and I don't do nothing else to it. So that's why I honestly need to start buying closures, just like this part, and not like the whole frontal. But I don't know, I'll start buying closures probably, because I really don't like, none of this part shows, so I don't really pluck it too much. But like this right here, I pluck out in my freaking I cannot talk today. And my heart. So I'm gonna use this to glue down my frontal. I like to do it like this at first, like put it like on the lace. But like when I reinstall wigs, I just put it on like my skin. But I think putting it on the lace does make it stay down a lot better than if I was to put it on my skin and then like glue the wig down that way. Again, taking my scarf, and I'm gonna have this laid down for like 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm about to cut the lace off. I think it's dry. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I'm about to spray it down with some water, and then I'm gonna put some mousse on it, and I think I'm done. The curls and like everything, like this is so pretty. Like, look, this is so cute. Look at the girls. I'm glad that I got a curly wig. I usually get straight wigs. The last time I had a curly wig though, I really liked it. So I was like, let's try a curly wig this go round. I honestly installed this wig fast, like faster than I normally install wigs, which is weird. Oh, this is how long it is on me. By the way, 24 inches for reference. I am like 5 foot, so. If you're around my height, this is how long it's gonna be on you, which is not bad at all. It's pretty long. I'm debating on if I want to do baby hairs or not. Like, it really don't even need it. Like, it's cute without baby hairs. But I always do baby hairs, so I'll probably do them. It is so cute. I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse and just kind of just rake it through. The shedding is not bad either. It's not shedding a lot. It is shedding though, but wigs shed. It's not terrible. And it's so soft, and it didn't have a weird smell when I opened it, like the box or nothing. So so cute. I think I am gonna do baby hair, so give me a second. Baby hairs. It's all types of gunk stuck in this little comb. So I'm back. So the clip that I had of my initial review freaking deleted, or like I lost it or something. I don't know. I'm like, so as for the wig, I know I have like different hair right now, but the wig, so as far as shedding, the wig didn't shed too much at all, honestly. Wigs shed, obviously, but it wasn't shedding a lot. As far as the overall like quality of the wig, the hair was super soft. The curl pattern was super cute, and just like wetting it, the curl pattern like stayed and all of that, and it was super soft. Did I just say that? I don't know, but the quality of the hair was really good too, especially for the price, which I'll have the price and like the name of the wig and like link to it down below. And I also have a, what's it called, like a discount code. So I'll have the discount code and the link and all of that down below in the description box. And again, that is Yolova.com to get the wig. So, what else? Smell. The wig didn't really have too much of a smell either. It smelled like regular, like just hair. It didn't have a weird smell or anything. I think the wig was true to length. Of course, it was a curly wig, so it's like, what am I trying to say? It's a curly wig, so it's not going to be like exactly like it's 24 inches. It's not 24 inches, but if it was straightened, it would be 24 inches. So you know, so it was true to length or whatever. Like it's not like a rip off. The density was good. It's actually a pretty thick wig, which I love. It was 180% density, so that's good. Density was great. Shoot. Oh, the lace. I love the tint. Like the lace was not too tinted. It was more of like a super light cream colored. Whereas I know my last wig, the lace was like a brown, like a dark brown. So I loved how thin and like the color of the lace was. The parting space was good as well. I'm really just thinking of everything that I can say. But like overall, I really like the wig. I will most likely be doing a reinstall video. Some of my clips freaking deleted. I actually have I have like all of my install and like everything. The only thing I really like deleted was my initial review, but I will be reinstalling the wig. I'm gonna reinstall the wig, and I'll do a video on that as well. But yeah, overall, I really like the wig, and I'll see how it like keeps up. I rewear my wig, so however long it lasts me, like I'll do like an update about that too. So just stay tuned. Anyways, overall I really like the wig, so thank you guys so much for watching. please like, subscribe, look in the description box for the link and the discount code, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.